Han riu snem ngakop yak jing e jing kersha nu pai ba ban ngas khema ka nongrim ban bat hi ka tauba jong ka chat kan riu marwai lang hapan yeng hayeng dorbar thawan namar ki mat ke jing dokam ban shngan ka lawai ki longdien ki pateng nganyai kular banganum ya pen yak lawai kari tang namar ka shupi.
Delbert, a leader so true with a heart full of love and vision so new. From North Shillong, you stand so strong, fighting for the people all day long. You sacrifice, you give your all. With the cross symbol you stand tall, and faith you trust, with God by your side. Together with VPP you will never hide. Keep strong, Delbert, keep going ahead, fighting for the future where peace will spread. With courage and faith you lead the way, for a safer tomorrow we'll follow and pray. In the battle for right, you never retreat, transforming our lives with each heartbeat, reviving the hope. We stand united in the fight for justice, we're all invited. Your leadership shines like the morning sun, through struggles and trials, the work's never done. With VPP we rise, hand in hand, to bring peace to the heart of our land. Keep strong, Delbert, keep going ahead, fighting for the future where peace will spread. With courage and faith you lead the way, for a safer tomorrow we'll follow and pray. God's guiding light will show the path, through every storm we'll rise at last. We'll stand by you through thick and thin, with hope in our hearts we'll always win. Keep strong, Delbert, keep going ahead, fighting for the future where peace will spread. With courage and faith you lead the way, for a safer tomorrow we'll follow and pray. With you, Delbert, we stand as one, together we'll rise until the work is done. The VPP's vision, our guiding light, we'll fight for justice and make it right.